What you see here is a 48-inch Harbor Breeze Cobra Elite. Brushed nickel finish paired with a set of Beech fan blades, along with a matching Beech finish plastic sideband for the motor. Definitely a pretty cool looking fan here. I've always been on the hunt for one of these. Since I have two of the Vector Elite, I figured I'd go out and get one of the Cobra Elite variants. This one in particular is from 2006. Blade caution sticker there. UL sticker there. And right there is the main information sticker there. Fan is flush mounted, could also be installed with a down rod. Unique spiral style light kit there, using 3 par style lamps. These are LED replacements in here. Show you what that looks like on. Harbor Breeze logo there on the switch housing, and Harbor Breeze pull fobs on the bottom. I'm not sure exactly how long Harbor Breeze sold these. I'd say definitely introduced in the mid to late 2000s, around this time, and I think they lasted well into the 2010s before being discontinued. Then when they were discontinued, Westinghouse went to the manufacturer that makes these fans. I'm not sure who that is, but they started selling them under the Westinghouse brand, but they dropped the Cobra in the name. They just called them the Elite, and they're actually still sold today. Low speed here, a little bit fast. Pretty quiet with the exception of some motor hum to it, which likely the installation here is kind of amplifying that, I'm sure. You can see the light loop is a little bit wobbly. That is a flaw that these had. The 2 screws that hold it to the switch housing cap come loose over time, and it just by design wobbles. Take it up to medium. Pretty fast for a medium as well. Already throwing out a decent breeze. And high. Yeah, surprisingly these fans fly. I believe the blade pitches on these are 12 degrees. RPM wise, I'd say we're definitely pushing 200. Throws out a pretty good sum of air for its size, being flush mounted. Definitely quite surprising. I figured that with the goofy blade design on these would not really be very effective, but I am wrong. And that is all. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video on this 48-inch brushed nickel Harbor Breeze Cobra Elite ceiling fan from 2006. Stay cool. Take care. Peace.